how different kinds of people finished reading The Warden and the Wolf King. The one who saw it coming. I knew it! I knew it! I called it. I knew it. The one who's just happy that they finished the book. Whew. On to the next series. The one who's just disappointed. That's it. That's just it. That's it. The one that's just completely heartbroken. Did he have to die? The one who just did not care. Oh well. The one who just doesn't like any of the characters and is happy. Finally! Yeah, I knew it. Let's go. I knew it. Yes, finally. The one who's just not interested in reading. Do I have to start this? I mean, like, can I just flip to the end? Oh. No, I'm not reading this. No, I am not. No. The one whose friends spoiled the ending for them. Oh, right, they told me about that. How dare they? How dare they? I can't cry properly now. Thanks, guys. Thanks. The one who forgets. Oh, yeah, I finished it last night. Wait, what? Forgot about that. Yeah, that's sad. The one who just doesn't get it for some reason. I don't get it. Why? Wait a second. Why? Oh. I hope you enjoyed this.